In this video, I'll guide you through using Geidea POS system. At the beginning of your shift, you'll see this login screen. Enter the provided PIN code found on the label at the back of your device. Let's proceed by logging in. Upon login, you'll need to confirm starting the new shift. Simply tap OK. Next, input the amount of cash at the start of your shift. But since there won't be any cash transactions, just enter 0 and then select Cash In. This is the first page you'll see where you can create or punch in an order. To do so, tap New Order. Navigate through menu categories. Select the item and add it to the shopping cart. Let's try an order. First, I need to select the category, then the type. Let's go with Hawaiian. Choose the crust, then any add-ons if needed. Review the details, then tap Done. Now, I'll add pasta to my order and a couple of drinks. Now, let's proceed to the shopping cart. Here you can review or edit the items. Also, if you'd like to add any note to the whole order, you can use notes. You can change the quantity or remove the item. Tap these 3 dots to add a comment to a single item, or edit the modifiers / add-ons. If everything looks good, proceed to checkout to complete the purchase. Choose between card or gift card options. If the customer chooses to pay with a card, you can just tap on the card option, enter the amount, or simply tap the total and the system will fill it automatically. Then the device will switch to Mother app to facilitate the transaction. For gift cards, same thing. Insert the amount or tap total, then enter the client-provided number or scan the QR code. Once the payment is made, the order is considered paid and closed. After that, depending on your settings, you may get a prompt to whether or not print the order's receipt or kitchen receipt. Active orders that are unpaid and incomplete will be visible on this page, where you can edit, print, or void them. Let's delve into the payment process, focusing on gift cards. First, checking gift card's balance. To check the balance of the gift card, navigate to the ordering screen or the shopping cart screen. Tap the 3 dots at the top. Choose Gift Card. Tap the 3 dots again. Select Check Balance. Insert the card's number or scan the QR code by tapping here and then tap OK. In case the customer wishes to use gift card's balance along with another card, we need to split the payment between the 2 payment options. Tap Gift Card. Enter the amount to be used, then scan the QR code or enter the code manually. Then tap Card and input the remaining amount. Please double-check the entered amounts before tapping Pay to ensure accuracy. After payment, make sure the order is closed. In the event of a partial payment mistake, in which the entered amount is less than the total needed to close the order, you'll find the order on the Active Orders screen marked with a black $sign. To close the order, you need to verify the received amount from the order. To do so, access the checkout screen. Check Received. Then tap Card or Gift Card to receive the remaining balance needed to close the order. So to explain the different colors of the $sign, which indicate the payment status. A gray $sign means the order is unpaid. A black $sign signifies a partially paid order. A green $sign indicates a fully paid order that should be closed. To view closed or paid orders, navigate to the designated tab. Here, you can filter and sort the results after tapping the field at the top of the screen. Here you can print a second copy of the invoice or email it to the client if they wish so. In case you wish to mark a category or an item as sold out, hold the intended category. Then select Stop, or hold the item, and then do the same. And to undo that, hold it again, then tap Continue. At the end of the day, make sure you don't have any open active orders. If you do, just simply void them, then tap End Shift. Two boxes will appear. You have unclosed orders. And Cashier Out is not done, tap You have unclosed orders. After that, tap Cashier Out is not done to enter the end of day cash, which should be 0. Or you can just tap Cashier Out, then End Shift, and the shift will be closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.